Alright, so I thought I would take another video to try and show the conditions. If you can see, this thing will adjust. Meh. And this is all closed off. Nope, I can't get a good view of it. Maybe if I step back a little, it might help some. Well, the video camera makes it look better than it really is. I just got in from shoveling and everything. It is truly crazy out there. There's probably 40 to 50 mile an hour winds. Maybe not quite that much, 35 miles an hour. And it's practically whiteout conditions. So it's definitely pretty crazy outside. I don't know what else to say. It's just downright crazy. And I'm tired. As you can see, I'm very tired. Let's see if we can get a good interview with Stephanie. I've been coaching her to get her to do better with the camera. So let's see how it goes. Hi, Steph. How you doing? What are you doing right now?
Reading a book.
Reading your book? Can you wave at the camera? Oh, that was talented. Can you...
Beep, 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 beep.
No, just act normal, hon. Sadie! Well, Sadie was out a minute ago. She's gone back underneath of the covers, I think. This is what it looks like from our deck. No, you can't find anything to really do it justice. That's the neighbor's snow pile on his deck. So it goes from the bottom of the deck, which is there, all the way up to almost the top of those bars. So, anyways. See ya.